So I'm here at my apartment and I've had this hummingbird feeder out for just a few days. Spotted a guy trying to drink the other day from, or investigating that bell, and I decided to bust out with my feeder. And already you can probably see these little hummers battling each other for the rights to this feeder. Let's see if they come back. You might be able to see them flying around the yard. They also like the Esperanza. There's one. Where'd you go? They like the Esperanza, which is that yellow bush in the background. That is my neighbor's. They enjoy that. And of course, the feeder. They also like to perch on these wires, power lines coming into the house, and guard the feeder from each other. Well, I think my talking has bothered them. I can still hear them chirping out in the yard, so they're around. They probably just see me and hear me. I don't know if y'all are picking up on any of that. I don't know how they ever eat anything. Constantly fighting each other. There they go. Well, there they are. Okay, well, I just wanted to give you guys a peek of the outdoorsy action going on here at the apartment with the hummingbirds that are migrating south for the winter. See you later. Bye.